Nike Cortez on my feet.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jordan One, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today. I told y'all I was gonna come with another video. Y'all thought I was gonna cap, I was lying to y'all. Nah, man, y'all my family. It's what? I told y'all I'm gonna compare y'all to the Air Jordan 1s, my Manir, and the Retro 3s, my Manir. In case y'all wondering, like, which one, in case you don't even have neither one of them. So y'all like, ooh, which one should I get? Which one should I, grab? Or which one is better? Whoop-de-whoop. To be honest, it can't go wrong with either one, in my personal opinion. But me, I like the Retro 3s better, even though at first I said the Retro 1s. But doing the video, comparing the shoe after the video, I, didn't look at the shoe. I like the 3s better. I ain't saying suit way better, but I like the 3s better than the Retro 1s. But if you didn't, go ahead and check that video out. I posted it about a couple minutes ago. Check that video out. The Retro 1, my Manir. Them joints clean. Don't get me wrong, the joints is super clean. But it's just about these Retro 3s. They just dope. I like them a lot. The collab they got on my Manir, super dope. Can't complain. This top 5 sneakers of 2021. Easy. Them 2s in the top 5. Easy. The 3 is gonna be on above the retro 1s, but them both easily in the top 5. Like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all agree. Y'all think I'm tripping? Let your boy know down below. But we're gonna do a comparison of the shoes. So I'm gonna have one shoe, the Retro 1s. I'm also have another shoe, the Retro 3s. So like I said, y'all can see the comparisons. So like I said, man, like and subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, man, let's get into the video. Retro 1, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it out. Here they go. So here go the Retro 1 right here. My Manir joints right here. These came out yesterday on the sneakers app. Retail is $200 on these joints. You know what I'm saying? I love that detail of the Retro 1s. That's one detail I can definitely say about the Retro 1s. I love like that flag. You know what I'm saying? The Retro 1s. The material on the upper, that's the only thing that's kind of throwing me off a little bit. You know what I'm saying? This cracked leather. It's like I said, it's not suede. I know a lot of people think it's suede when I seen the pictures. I was one of those people, I thought it was suede. But when you get the shoe in hand, it is cracked leather, so it is not suede. You know what I'm saying? It was definitely shredding on this hoodie when I was doing the video. It was crazy, man. So if you wear anything like black or anything material like that, watch that. Like sweatpants, anything like that, definitely watch that, man. So you go to Retro 1s, my Manir. Let's go and get the Retro 3s out. Y'all ready? Drum roll play. Here they go, the Retro 3s right here. The my Manir Retro 3s right here. These bad boys right here. Super clean, with that Nike Air on the back of the heel. You know when that Nike Air on the back of the heel, you know it's something serious. Just looking at this shoe, it just fits me better. But I am going to get these Retro 1s. These Retro 3s, man. Ooh, with that logo right there. They, like I said, also got the logo right there as well. It just got the big A stamp. I think the other shoe has the Jordan logo. Yeah, so on the other shoe, it does have the Jordan logo on it, but it just, like I said, we're gonna do a good comparison here. We're gonna do a great comparison here, man. So on the upper, like I said, of this shoe, you have cracked leather. On the upper here, you know what I'm saying, you got your Air Jordan 3 leather, no suede. Only thing suede is around the toe box and the back of the heel, and also on the heel as well. So, but they definitely did the same thing on the inside of the shoe. It's just they don't have that stitched in. Nike doesn't have that stitched in my Manir thing inside the Retro 3s, but it also has this sock liner. And this is burgundy, and they have more of a gray, you know what I'm saying, the sock liner inside the shoe. The same material, it's just different colors on the sock liner. And of course, on the outsole, definitely different. You definitely get to wear these for sure. Definitely the outsoles, they're definitely gonna be different because it's an Air Jordan 1 and it's a Retro 3. Definitely the outsole's gonna be different. But this shoe has more burgundy in it, more than the Retro 3. Only burgundy I definitely see. I don't think you could definitely say, is that more burgundy? Like right here on this tab right here, that might be the only burgundy color on this Retro 3 compared to the Retro 1, because this has, like I said, this has more burgundy, more that, I don't know, it's that sail and that cream color compared to this one. This more is like a white cream, a little bit hits of that cream right here. Like I said, on the right here, I could tell right here on the laces, and also right here on the midsole part, y'all could tell a little more of that cream, but not too much of that, like this off, not off-white, but like a darker cream right here as well. So the laces on these, but I wouldn't do these laces on this shoe because I wouldn't do that. That's just me personally. I wouldn't do that at all. It's not my preference, anything like that. I will keep the laces like how it is, the burgundy laces on there, but it's all good. I love, they also got it on, not on the retro 3s, but on these, they have the gold tips on the laces. I love gold tips on laces, man. So I'm trying to show you guys. Give me 1 second. So it comes with the gold tips on the laces. But on the retro 3s, y'all ready? Y'all ready? It has work, and it also got harder. Y'all can see that a little bit. Got work harder on the laces of the tips. So it got a little detail. You know what I'm saying? So this is the right shoe of the Alma Manier, the retro 1. This is the left shoe of the Alma Manier retro 3s. So I'm gonna get the left shoe, the retro 1, and I'm gonna get the right shoe of the retro 3. So man, but comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all like this comparison thing. You like the 3s better, or you like the 1s? Let your boy know down below, man. I like the 3s better. I like 3s better, but the 1s not bad at all. Trust me, the 1s not bad at all, man. But let's go get them other shoes out. So give me 1 second. I got y'all. So here I go. This is the right shoe, and it's the left shoe. So nothing different. It's the same thing. Only thing different is the tab on the sand of the shoe. That's the only difference of the retro 1s. But on the retro 3s, it's the Air Jordan wing. It's the Air Jordan logo on the tongue. That's the only difference on this shoe. The Nike Air is the same. It's just the Air Jordan logo on the tongue is different. That's the only difference compared to the shoe. So in case y'all wonder like what's the difference, and also on the inside, it has that Alma Manier logo inside the shoe. Compared to this one, it has it stitched in, like I said beforehand, so y'all can see it. In case y'all wonder like what you talking about, so y'all can tell it's stitched in. I wish that's the only thing detail I wish they had on this. They had that stitched in like with the 3s, but they don't. You know what I'm saying? You can't have both of the shoes exactly the same, but a little difference. You know what I'm saying? But I like this shoe more. It just, I've been more versatile with this shoe than I believe I will with this shoe. It's just this shoe, I've been wearing it like, I don't know how many times I wore the shoe. I think I wore this shoe like 6-7 times. I wear a lot of stuff because it goes a lot of stuff. It just does. And it got a little more of the white, so I could throw it on a lot more stuff with this. And this crack, like I said, this cracked leather throwing me off a little bit. But I like the retro 1, I do. But the retro 3, it's just my flavor, it's my style. I like it a lot, man. So like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know y'all like the retro 3s better or the retro 1s. But I will get my hands on the retro 1. It's not my size, not a personal. Like I said, it's my Brody size. I can definitely tell by holding it compared to this one. It's a way bigger size, way bigger size, man. But the size run on the retro 3s, it's a women's. So I got I can't even think. I got a 12.5 in women's as 11, and then it fits me perfectly fine. But if you, I know these, when you go a half size up or anything like that, these will flop off your feet, because I know a lot of people that got a half size up in these, they wish they wouldn't have got their true size. So my true size is an 11. But if I'd have got a 13 in women's, the 11 and a half, pretty sure it'll flop off my feet. I'm pretty sure it will be, but I'm all good, so I ain't got to worry about it. But these retro 1s, they came out of men's and grade school. So get your true size in retro 1s. They run like Nike Dunks in my opinion. That's just how I feel. So get your true size. So if you wear that 7 youth, get that 7 youth. If you wear that size 10, get that size 10. With like a little cushion in your pushing, go a half size up in the retro 1s. As always, I always tell people that. So in case y'all wondering. But yeah, man, that is it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Like I said, the comparison. Comment down below, man. Let me know y'all like this comparison video stuff. Let your boy know down below. I like hearing, you know what I'm saying, tips and all that good stuff, or something I could do better, you know what I'm saying. I don't mind, you know what I'm saying, critiquing or just bettering myself for you guys, you know what I'm saying, because y'all watching me. So if y'all like something different or y'all like something I could do better, you know what I'm saying, let your boy know down below. I don't matter at all. You know what I'm saying? That's how I get better. I could take that. That's how I get better, man. So, like I said, man, I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. Follow me on all my platforms down below. My TikTok, my Instagram, my Twitter, all the good stuff down below. I would really, really appreciate it, man. Catch y'all another video real soon, because Retro 11 is coming out next weekend. So be ready for that, man. That's a big release, man. Big release. So be ready to have a cop video on that, man, for sure, man. Make sure post notification bell is on. When every time I upload, be the first one to know, man. So catch y'all another video, man. Jordan 1 is out. Peace.